I'm going to attempt to make probably one of the easiest cakes I've ever come across. Literally 2 things. Let's get started. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. It's your boy Gabe. Today we are making 2-ingredient, I guess, soda cake is what I would call this, but apparently all you need is cake mix and soda, and boom, you have cake. So yeah, I'm a little nervous because I understand the science behind it and I get it, but at the same time it still just doesn't make sense to me. I don't know. I could be overthinking it, but that's why I'm not much of a baker, even though I've, done a few baking videos. But hey, you live and you learn. And you know what, at this point, with as many baking videos as I do, and even though I say I'm not a baker, I feel like this would be okay with me. I would accept this. If this works, I'm okay with it. So let's get started. So like I said, it's 2 ingredients. Now, the whole frosting is optional. I'm going to put frosting on mine, because why not? But for this, I'm doing these 2. There's a whole list of them apparently. But I am using spiced cake mix and strawberry cake mix. And then for the strawberry cake, it was supposed to be cream soda, but I'm going to use Barq's root beer. It was still going to be cream soda root beer, but maybe add a splash of vanilla if you really want to. And then for the spice cake, it's going to be a ginger ale spice cake. Now these were the small cans, so I'm actually going to add like a can and a half. I'm excited to try this out. I'm a little nervous because I don't know how this is going to go, but we're about to find out. All right, so I got my 2 cake mixes, and I'm going to start with my my spice cake mix. Open her up. Now, apparently all you do is you mix your pop and your cake mix, and whatever temperature it says, that's what you're doing. Okay, and then for our ginger spice cake, obviously you need the ginger part, so we're gonna do ginger ale. And these are the small cans, so these are 7.5 ounce cans. So I'm gonna do a can and a half, and then just drink the rest. Okay, there's the first one. We're gonna set that off to the side. Then we're gonna go ahead and do our strawberry one. Okay, and then like I said, I was supposed to use cream soda, but I got Barq's. At least it's the good root beer. Okay, there's the strawberry one. It smells kind of good. Okay, then I got some pan spray in my cake sheets, and we're gonna spray our pan. Okay, then we're gonna pour our strawberry, and then our spiced one. Okay, let's throw these in the oven at 350 for probably about 25 minutes. So, I know they look a little sunken, but they are done. They are cooked. Stuck my toothpick in there, but they smell amazing. This one smells really good. I'm kind of excited about the ginger one, and I'm definitely still excited about the strawberry one. So the tricky part is going to be fishing them out. So I ended up letting them go about another 10 minutes. Okay, let's ice these. Let's cut into this and let's try them out. I have the ginger ale and spice cake and the strawberry and root beer cake. I'm gonna try the strawberry one first. Okay, so let's try the strawberry one. That's really good. And with this cream cheese frosting, what? So, it's official. If you can't bake, you can bake this. I promise. Wow. Who knew something that so simple could taste so good? This is really good. Okay, let's try the ginger spice cake. I'm excited about this one. This one almost smells like pumpkin spice and fall and happiness. Wow. Wow. Oh man. Like it doesn't taste like 2 ingredients. That's the thing. It doesn't taste like 2 ingredients. It tastes like there's eggs and water and vegetable oil in this, and there's not. And you don't really taste the soda either. It's just a really good cake. I highly recommend this. This is like if you still want the diabetic coma, but you're trying to cut out fat, this right here is what you need. Well, there you have it, guys. 2-ingredient cake. Literally 2 ingredients. Well, 3 if you're counting the frosting, but 2-ingredient cake. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button next to it, comment down below, tell me what you think, tell me what else I should try, share with your friends and family, and as always, peace out, guys.